Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be smoking a spatchcock chicken outside on the pit barrel cooker, and let me give you guys a little backstory on it. So Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, he's been so good to us. He sent Babe and I a bunch of stuff from Crowd Cow. And not only did he send us a bunch of stuff from Crowd Cow, he also has a link set up that I'll put below that if you click on the link and you buy something from Crowd Cow, you get like 25 bucks off. So it's actually a rockin' deal. So great job, Tommy. Thank you so much. He sent us, one of the things that he sent us was a pasture-raised heirloom chicken, spatchcock chicken. So let me show you guys. It's from Crowd Cow. It's in a vacuum sealed bag. They shipped it to us. It's already spatchcocked. And I feel like it's a nice little chicken. I'm home alone tonight, just me and the little guy. So this will be a perfect little meal for us. So awesome. I'm looking forward to it. And all the meat that we've tried from Crowd Cow has actually been really high quality and really good meat. So hand trimmed, backbone removed, spatchcock chicken, no hormones, no antibiotics, all the good stuff. So this is a good quality piece of chicken here. Whole chicken, actually. We're going to be seasoning it today with Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria Hallelujah Barbecue Rub. Shout out to my brother Red over there on the East Coast. I'll show you guys. He just came out with his own rub. Come on, camera. There we go. He just came out with his own rub, and I haven't tried it yet. So I'm super excited. I messaged him, and I was like, hey, I bought 2 different rubs from him, and one of them is a little more spicy. This one is not as spicy. This is just a classic barbecue rub, which I think with the smoke from the pit barrel cooker on this chicken, it's going to be amazing. So looking forward to trying this. Follow along. It's going to be kind of a quick, simple, easy video recipe on what the plan is today. So today you're just stuck with me. I'm home. I don't ever go anywhere anyways. I'm always home. So today you're stuck with me, some chicken, some barbecue rub, and the pit barrel cooker. Let's go. Okay, so when they ship it to you from Crowd Cow or any other meat company that ships it to you, normally it's on dry ice, it's vacuum sealed. I took it out of the vacuum sealer, and I just want to show you guys. They did all the work for me, really. The spatchcock is already done. Everything's trimmed. Like, there's really nothing for me to do except season it up, which is really fantastic. The skin is on here still, which will, I think, crisp up really nice in the pit barrel cooker. The pit barrel cooker is one of my most favorite cookers that we have. It's super easy to use. You follow the directions. It's a light it. It always runs at 275. As long as you follow the directions, it's great. They're a fantastic company. I'm going to do the underside first. And Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria, this rub smells very good. So we'll just pat this in a little bit. And this, again, this is the underside. So I'm not too worried about that. And then we'll set it over here like so. Get that out of there. Okay, so now this is our presentation side, as they call it. And so we just want to get a nice little even coating of this rub. And yeah, there we go. So we'll just let this sit on the sink here on our board. We'll go light our pit barrel cooker and we'll be ready to roll. The thing with chicken is you want to bring it to at least 165 internal. You're going to want to get yourself a good instant read thermometer, maybe a little bit more in the legs, and then you let it rest and we'll cut it up and we'll give it a try. So I've had this pit barrel for a number of years. I love this company. They're fantastic. This is what we're going to be using to cook our chicken today. And we are running Jealous Devil Max, and those are their briquettes. So I have the pit barrel little mini chimney that I got loaded up with the Jealous Devil. I'm going to be running 3 chunks of cherry wood, and we'll be rolling smoke. We got our pit barrel all fired up. Everything's running well. We'll take the lid off. Take the rods out. We'll get our chicken right in the middle here. Spread out those legs and the wings. Try not to mess up the rub too much. It's important to always keep the rods in as it's going because you don't want the temperature to get out of control. And now we'll check back in about 20-30 minutes and we'll start checking temperatures. We're looking for 165 in the meatiest part of the breast. If you guys could smell the smells out here on the world's smallest patio, it already smells amazing. The pit barrel's amazing. I'm sure that rub is going to be amazing. But right now, we have to roll our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much to all of our channel members, regardless of what tier you're on. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button if you guys want to check that out. A lot of behind the scenes stuff, a lot of fun stuff with Babe and all that good stuff. So thank you. So we're going to keep rolling smoke here, and we're going to check the temperature in maybe about 10 minutes or so. And we're just going to keep going until we hit that 165. We'll bring it out, set it on a board, let it rest, chop it up, taste test. Bob's your uncle. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's been about 25-30 minutes. let's get this lid off. And let's start checking some temperatures. 119, and this is a pretty meaty part right here. 124. And one of the legs here, we got a 134. And the little baby wing up front, we're at 160. But this wing over here is only at 140. So we still got a little more ways to go. I'd probably say another 15 minutes or so, because we want to get it all at 165. So there you go. 30 minutes in, let's go another 15 minutes and we'll check back. I probed the chicken and it's so juicy, it's dripping juices out of the actual chicken. Wow. So we're at 160 right now. I'm about to pull it. We're gonna let it rest. Honestly, the smell is amazing. It's looking amazing, and it's about done. All right, so we're back inside. We pulled it off. The biggest, meatiest part of the breast was at 165. You see it on the board right here. We're gonna let it rest, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, just let all the juices recuperate and stuff like that. It's already super juicy on the board. And then we're gonna slice into it, do a little taste test, see how this chicken is from Crowd Cow, see how this rub is from Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria. And yeah, I'm excited. Little guy's excited, and super simple, easy cook. And like I said in the beginning, I didn't really do anything to the chicken. I took it out of the vacuum seal bag. I made sure that it was all chopped up nice, trimmed up, everything was good, which it was. It looked great, and then we just seasoned it up. We put it on the pit barrel cooker. We followed the instructions from Pit Barrel. We ran the pit at approximately 275 degrees the whole time until the chicken hit an internal temperature of 165. Pull it, let it rest, slice it, and that's it. Super simple dinner for your family. And yeah, all right, we'll see you back for the taste test. So I kind of hacked it up a little bit, but you guys, the juice is loose. Holy moly, it's crazy. And I wanted to I cut this piece of the breast open just to show you guys, hopefully you guys can see it, how incredibly juicy it is. For a small little bird, it really turned out juicy. So I'm excited to try this rub.
Okay. Here's the leg. Look at this. Close up. Oh, it's dripping.
I got a big piece of the breast. Oh, look at this. Look, you literally, it's dripping. I got some skin, the breast. Chicken's juicy. Rub was good. Pit Barrel runs phenomenally, as always. Oh, you guys got to give that a try. Like I said, links for everything down below. Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria. And that wasn't even the spicy rub. That was the Hallelujah rub. A little baby, tiny, tiny bit of heat. Really good overall, like, flavors. Salt, pepper, garlic. A little tiny bit of heat. Like a lot of flavor. It really packed it in. That's a really good rub. Very, very good rub. The Crowd Cow chicken, very juicy. The only thing I would say, it was, what's it called? A heirloom chicken. So it's very small. So there's not a terrible amount of meat. It's not a big old bird. Very, very good. I'm going to try and grab like a little leg here. I mean, this is dripping too. It's dripping down my face. It's very good. Very good bird. Very good rub. Red, you did a good job with that rub. It was very good.